about 5 minutes.
Oh, God. My heart's beating like a rabbit. You, want a beer?
No, thanks.
So, tell me this. If you're not in love with her, how come these little things she does drive you crazy so much, huh?
Little things. Freddie, the woman learned how to speak English in a single afternoon.
She could probably speak English already. I think she was in shock from being arrested, you know?
Well, now, what about that, huh? What about a woman showing up naked in a public place, Freddie?
Well, I'm for it, of course. But you yourself said that she had some kind of, what, immigration problem? She's on an ocean liner in the middle of international waters. And she sees America, looks good. So she greases her body up like a channel swimmer. She dives in. She goes through some sharks, has some heavy trouble there. Goes through the Coast Guard, through some minefields, and then she's on shore. She's okay. See?
Please.
No, look, I'm being serious. I've had a few minor fiascos in my own love life, and I admit that freely.
Freddie, you took a date to one of your own weddings.
I'm a free spirit. I'm extremely liberal. I'm a freewheeling dude. You know what your problem is? You're in love with this girl, and you're trying to convince yourself you're not.
I just don't know, Freddie. It's just something about it isn't right.
I'll serve. You hold a beer, that'll be your handicap.
Oh, we're gonna play?
Yeah. I'm gonna teach you a lesson in humility.
All right, wait.
Humility 101. You all set?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh!